everyone, my name is Kanya. I'm 9 years old. Today I read A Second Is a Minute. How long is a second? A second is a hiccup, the time it takes to kiss your mom, or jump a rope, or turn around. How long is a minute? 60 seconds to minute, 60 hiccup, 60 hops. Or if you sing just one small song, chorus, verses, not too long. That just tend to fill a minute. How long is an hour? 60 minutes singing by. If you build a sandy tower, run right through a sparkly shower, climb a tree and smell a flower, pretend you have a sweat bower that sewed nicely fill an hour. How long is a day? 24 hours by the clock, starting when the sun comes up. A day needs filling, like a cup. Hiccups, kisses, songs and sours, lots of trees and lots of flowers, breakfast, lunch and snacks and dinner. Play some games and cheer the winner. Draw a picture, read a book, tell a joke and learn to cook. Tell a joke and learn to cook. Watch the sunset far away, fall asleep, and that's a day. How long is a week? 7 days are in a line. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and the end day, Saturday, a favorite one. Some are quiet, some are full. Work days, home days, play days, school days. 7 wake-ups, 7 sleep. Close your eyes and do not speak, but you never, ever stay asleep for one whole week. How long is a month? 4 weeks add up to from a month. Lot of time for things to change. Season often rearrange. Winters meth and warm. 2 springs. Caterpillars find their wings, and if you fall a scrubs a thing in a month, their brains new skin. Learn to tie your laces tight. Learn to float, relax it, and line. Learn to count clean up to 10. Clean to count black down again. Watch the moon grow round and fat. Then think again. Imagine that. And all of it in 1 month flat. How long is a year? 12 months together make a year. A great big circle spinning round. Climb a board. You 1 year month. You roll right out of your old shoes and thought too. Now that's good news. Sunshine, snow and rain and squall. Winter, spring, summer, fall. Trees, 1 tree grow. Live a peaches. See how far a wolf your reaches. Teeny babies learn to walk. Bigger babies learn to talk. Holidays of every kind, weekend, together in the line. When your birthday almost here, you are older by a year. Chains come and chains go, round and round. The years you grow, till you're bigger, till you're bolder, till you're ever so much older. And through all the hurls and days, as time unfolds, in all its way, you will be loved as surely as a second is a hiccup. And goodbye everyone. See you again.